the Moza Mini-S. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Moza Mini-S smartphone gimbal. This is a 3-axis gimbal that is compact and foldable. I will go over some of the features and design and provide some footage towards the end. I will not go into detail of the app functionality. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide, a carrying pouch, tripod, charging cable, and control cable, if you prefer to plug it directly into your phone rather than use the Bluetooth. The Mini-S has a unique foldable design and has the Genie app, which allows you to utilize object tracking, time-lapse, inception mode, just to name a few. It's also easy to balance the phone. The gimbal is compact and very light, and has plastic construction all around. On the left side you have the following: the control cable port if you don't prefer to use the Bluetooth, the charging port, power button, and the trigger, which allows you to recenter and lock the settings. To unfold the gimbal, just slide the lock button and swing the other part up. And you will hear it click into place. Before you use a smartphone holder, you want to remove it from the lock position, and it's just a matter of pulling it up. On the front of the gimbal you have the following: the battery level indicator, the operating buttons, which allows you to control the app and access the functions, and the joystick. And on the right side you have the focus buttons to zoom in and out. On the bottom you have the tripod mount. The mini tripod is simple to install. Just give it a few quick turns and it's ready for use. And folding the gimbal is just a matter of making sure the smartphone holder is in the lock position, and then just slide the lock and fold it down. Attaching your smartphone is also simple. There are no knobs to balance. Just spread the smartphone holder apart and center your phone on it. And once you turn it on, you will immediately notice if it's balanced or not, and just make the necessary adjustments. Fully extended, the gimbal comes in at just a little over 12 inches. And folded, it's a little over 7 inches. And less than 6 inches wide. To take advantage of the features, you need to download the Moza Genie app. The app is easy to use and the buttons on the gimbal allow for easy navigation. Overall, the gimbal worked really well. It's easy to balance the phone and the motor is very strong and it doesn't feel like it struggles. The one-touch button for the inception mode is very cool to have. And here you can see it working. The gimbal is really stable and smooth. I would have liked to seen a longer charging cable. The one that came with it is very short. Also, a hard case would have been nice, rather than the pouch. The Mini-S is priced very well and the foldable design is definitely nice to have. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.